Hello friends, welcome to the CapCut video editing tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will show how to create amazing YouTube shorts, reels and TikTok videos from widescreen footage using CapCut. Plus, we will add a stunning zoom-in blurred background effect to take your edits to the next level. Let's begin the tutorial together step by step. Open CapCut and import your video into the timeline. For this tutorial, I will use a sample video from CapCut library. To create shorts, reels or TikTok videos, you need to set the aspect ratio to 9:16. This is the vertical format used by most platforms. Also change your screen layout to vertical for a better workspace view. Next, increase the scale value of your video to fill the screen. You have to ensure that the main subject stays within the frame. If parts of your object go out of frame, here how to fix it. In this video, at some point, the person is going out of the frame. First, we have to fix this issue. Move the playhead to a point where the subject is centered and add a keyframe for the position. Now move forward and adjust the position as needed. Repeat this process throughout the video to keep the subject in frame. Once you are satisfied, select the video and create a compound clip. If you are using CapCut mobile app, export the video and re-import it. Now go to the canvas option and select blur. There are 4 blur levels available. I will use the first one. To make the blur visible, reduce the scale value of your video. Next, add the same video to the track above the blurred one. Adjust its size and position as needed. But here, the edges of the second video look rough. You can use a mask to smooth them out. Add the rectangle mask and adjust size and position. Then increase the feather value to blend edges. Adjust the size and position of the mask until the composition looks perfect. I think now it looks perfect. You can also try a mirror mask. Just add the mirror mask and increase the feather value. And that's it. Your shorts video with a zoom-in blurred background is ready. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Drop a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. See you in the next video.